Hi, today we in Roskos and we make traditional Hungarian food named poppy seed guba, and all we have to do first is slicing the kifli. We using some lemon and some sugar, milk and poppy seed and raisin. We using too vanilla sugar and pudding powder. First thing, we slice the kifli. Okay, second thing, what should I do? We mixing the poppy seed with the magnesia. We're using 300 milliliters of milk. We're using 10 decograms of raisin. We mix it. We take in it 4 spoons of sugar, and we pressing into it lemon. We put in vanilla sugar, and then we grating the lemon. We using this plate. We need to grate some lemon. Okay, I'm finished. We mix with the poppy seed. We take the kifli into the milk, and in dried kifli we take into the milk. Then take all of that in. We wait with that. Okay, we make the pudding. We use a little pot. Oops. We add to the little pot the powder, and we mix it with little milk. We mix it. Okay. We take the milk into the pot and we boil it. Then we mix it to the faster boiling. Okay. We flipping the dried kifli in milk. Then we flip it around. The milk is still cold. When we mix into it the sugar, and we mix it. Okay, that's it, and we waiting for the boiling. Then we mix it into the milk, the pudding powder, and then we waiting. Okay.
After we are done preparing things, we will put the poppy seed liquid. We will put the poppy seed liquid into the dried kifli, and after we mix it, we will put the pudding in, and it needs chilling, and we are done. Mondom, foganál egyszerűbb lesz.
Majd azért összekavarom, csak kiszedem a masszát, ami beleragat, mert az nem kész. Azt kihűlt?
Szerintem kihűlt eléggé.
Azt kéne ráállítanod.
Nekem is az a baj, hogy nekem is kéne. Milyen fogatot szeretnél? Ennyi elég lesz, tudod? Jelen van.
Igazából azt nem kéne összekeverni, a tetején kéne, nem kell legyen igazából kész.
We are done. We just need to chill, like I said before, and bon appetit!